I gave you my heart.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like because it would really help me out. I have a surprise for you guys. My Boxycharm is here. It wasn't supposed to be here until the 17th, but it came today. So we're going to open up together and see what I got. I'm pretty sure that I got variation 18, so we will see. Look at this knife. Isn't that beautiful? It's from Benchmade. Alrighty. Here it is. I'm so excited. And look at, it's not even open yet. I gotta open it. Alright. Thank you, Mr. Knife. Oh, my card fell out. This is what it looks like. And I have variation 18. Dang it! Alright, so they got all the information about the new Boxycharm Premium Beauty Box worth over $175 value for only $35. And Boxycharm's going to be going up to $25 starting this next month. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm not too excited because I've seen this box open so many times. So let's start off with the Mellow. By the way, I'm in Zach's van. So after it gets done, like you see, there's already been paneling put in. Behind the paneling, there's insulation. And then he's going to do something up here. And I'm not going to show you guys the rest of the van right now. But he's turning it into an adventure van. And I'm excited for it to be finished. Okay, opening this up. Very nicely safety sealed. I did pluck my eyebrows a little bit today, so trying to get them back. I was taking like that hair, skin, and nails vitamins to grow out my hair. Well, it grows out all your hair. Even my leg hairs, they get so long so fast. It's crazy. Alright, so here it is. There it is. I'm nervous. So that's not too bad. That's not too dark. I think that works for me. Alright. I'm okay with that. So, Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. It retails for $16. And then we got one of the Hollywood and Vine Kohl Crayon. And this does not have a safety seal. Oh, okay. Now I know what people are talking about. So it's very pigmented. It's very black. But it is kind of stiff. So let's try it out on my eyes. By the way, you're not supposed to pull down on your eyes like that. It creates wrinkles and deeper bags, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. That's nice. I like it. That's not bad. I like that a lot. Okay, so Hollywood and Vine. Line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. And it retails for $7. I like it. Alrighty, and then we got the Hank and Henry mascara. Let's see how to open this. Slick With It mascara will have you feeling like you have a major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo Wand applicator is designed to work with your with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. This retails for $19. Which one is which? I kind of wish that it was like labeled on which is which, but it's not. Okay, so here's the big side. Let's see if I can do this without a mirror. I didn't bring out any makeup brushes. How am I going to use eyeshadow? I'll just have to put it on and blend it with my finger. We're going to go old school. I mean, it's not my Better Than Sex mascara, but I mean, it gets the job done. And then, oops. Oh, that's so adorable and tiny and cute. That's not bad. Alrighty, and then we got the iconic mist. That is beautiful. My lid was kind of off. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, that's a nice mister. I like that. Do I look shiny and glowy? It smells nice. It smells really nice. And then we have the Sassy Siennas Dose of Color palette. Here's the colors back here. Let's open it up. I've seen that a lot of people's palettes have been broken. Oh, it looks pretty already. Oh, there's a little bit in here. So here's the palette. And we're good. Alright, so it comes... Oh, it comes with the brush, so I can just use this one. Comes with the little brush. And then, let's do this. You guys don't get to see the rest of the van yet. And there's the colors. Alrighty, let's see if we can do a quick look with this. Well, first I kind of want to look up the... Oh, and the Dose of Colors retails for $32. So I want to look up the total of my box real quick. The Iconic London was $29. That can't be right. 32, 29, 19, 16, 7. It says that my box total comes to $103. Aren't we guaranteed 100 and... What was it? 100 and... Oh, that's not until it goes up, huh? Okay, well... Okay. So let's do a quick eye look. Let's see here. Let me take this off. So I'm going to go into Foxy. Right here. Wow, that's pretty pigmented. That's so weird that my Boxycharm came early. I mean, great surprise, but weird. Okay. And then I want to go in with Brassy, which is this one right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Oh So Sassy. This brush is really getting it done just by itself. I don't need really other brushes. I think I'm going to try and use that tinted brow gel again with the mirror. I wish this thing would go away. It looks terrible. Okay, so, and now I want to go in with Bossy. I don't know, they all kind of seem to like go onto the eyes as like the same color. Like I don't feel like I have separate colors on my eyes. Like it all looks like one color to me. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Stay Sassy right here. I'm going to put that on my outer corner. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Let me put some on my under. I'm going to go in with this darker color over here. Well, I kind of got crazy over here. But there we go. So, thoughts. I just feel like they all kind of look, I mean, it's a pan full of like the same color scheme, but I don't know. I don't think that I might use, like, grab this to put a color or two into my eyeshadow look, but I don't like using the whole eyeshadow pan for one look. This, I mean, it looks alright, but not my favorite. Oh yeah, oh well. Too late. I was gonna use the mirror to put some more of this brow gel on. There we go. That looks good. Alright, you guys, and if you stayed till the end of this video, this is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway video. So be sure to leave a comment. Leave as many comments as you want. The more you comment, the more you're entered. And let's give this 2 weeks. So, let's see, 2 weeks from today, the 26th, I will be announcing the giveaway winner. Giveaway. So, the giveaway winner will win the Hank and Henry Slick With It eyeliner in Blickety Black and the Sutra Beauty curling iron. So, be sure to comment down below, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a great, fabulous day. Bye.